Hi guys, in today's video my son requested sausage rolls, so I'm going to be sharing with you all this quick, easy recipe. Stay tuned. Okay, so to make this we're going to start in our bowl with some lukewarm milk, and you want your milk to be lukewarm because we need to activate our yeast. To the milk I'm going to go in with my sugar. You can use brown or white, whatever you have on hand. And I'm going to go in with the yeast. And you want to make sure when you're doing this, you use yeast that is fresh. Otherwise, it will not activate. You just give that a mix. And once mixed in, you're going to set it aside and allow it to foam and ferment. So guys, once your mixture starts to get nice and foamy like this, we're going to go in here with 1 egg, melted butter. You want to whisk that in. And to this, I'm going to go in with my flour. And we're going to mix this. And I'm using salted butter here, hence the reason why I didn't put any salt into my dough. But if you're using unsalted butter, then you'll need to put some salt. And I would say about 1/4 teaspoon. So guys, this is the consistency you're looking for. If your dough is very, very wet, add some dry flour. Now I'm going to go in with some dry flour. And I just want to bring this together into a dough ball. So after you've made that into your dough ball, spritz with a little bit of butter or oil. And we're going to cover this and allow it to rest for about 15 minutes. Okay, let's check on our dough. It's risen really well. And what I'm going to do is punch down on the dough. So I'm just going to bring this together to form a ball. And now we want to flour your surface liberally because this is quite a sticky dough. And we're going to roll this out to about 1/2 inch thickness. Keep it floured really well. So now I'm going to cut strips out of this.
It's my cut strips. And my cut strips. It's Aiden pizza.
There you go.
Thank you. I'll make it.
Okay guys, so here I have my hot dogs. We're going to take our strips of dough and we're going to roll it around the hot dog like this. Place it onto your tray that you're gonna bake it on. I'm gonna roll the other.
Mommy, hot dog? What's this?
It's a hot dog.
Mighty hot dog. Look.
So you guys see how easy that is, right? You're just rolling it around each of the dog. Okay guys, now you're going to take your egg wash and you're going to brush it over your dough. This is going to help you get a really nice, even, beautiful golden color. Okay guys, this is going to go into my oven to bake at that 350 for about 12 to 15 minutes. The thicker you make that dough around the hot dog, the longer it's going to take. These are pretty thin, so it's going to finish really quickly. So guys, here you have it, my recipe for a quick sausage roll. Thank thank you to my son for requesting this one, guys. So if you make it nice and thin, you roll it out nice and thin, you're gonna get a pretty sized good dough around each of the hot dog. If you make it thicker, it's going to wrap around really thicker and you're gonna be very doughy. Now if you wanted it to have this type of look where it encloses the entire hot dog and you just see the ends of it, you would wrap your dough closer together when wrapping it. But if you wanted it like this, you wrap it with distance between it. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below. It's really nice and light and soft. The bread itself that is around there, because I use the same bread I did for my ham and cheese recipe. So if you guys enjoyed today's recipe, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, like it, share it, comment down below. I want to hear from you. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.